So here's how to extract files without WinRAR or 7-zip for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So first let's select our zip or RAR file, in this case my zip file, and then a button should show up on the top here. It says extract all. Press on it. You can also right click and extract all. You should see it in here. When you click on it, it should open up this window. Now you'll need to specify a folder where you want to extract the zip or RAR file. In this case, I made it to create a my zip file. You can now click on extract and wait for it to extract, and it should open the folder where it did the extraction. Now keep in mind that this method might fail if the RAR or zip file is protected by a password. In that case, you will need to download WinRAR or 7-zip to be able to extract it, and you will be prompted to enter the password. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.